Hello everyone, today let's talk about what is ERP implementation. ERP implementation is the process of installing, configuring and customizing ERP software and integrating it with different departments across the company, such as production, finance, sales, and operations. Implementation of ERP is a powerful way to drive business success and boost interdepartmental coordination, ensuring smoother operations and greater workforce efficiency. ERP implementation provides a comprehensive view of operations, supports data-driven decisions, and reduces the need for multiple applications. Explore the different stages of ERP implementation to ensure alignment with your unique business processes. Gathering information. Form a project team to outline objectives and gather data on implementation timelines, budget, and resource requirements. System design stage focuses on data structures, gap analysis, and detailed documentation on configurations and data migration. ERP customization requires code modifications, building personalized dashboards, and creating alerts and triggers. ERP deployment involves launching the system company-wide or in phases, gathering stakeholder feedback, and monitoring for issues. Bug testing identifies and documents errors in ERP systems through unit and system testing, and flags bugs by severity for resolution. Employee training prepares staff for ERP use, gathers feedback, initiates multi-channel support, and provides role-based training programs. Here are some commonly used ERP implementation methodologies. Big Bang adoption deploys the entire system at once, requiring careful planning to avoid disruptions. Phased rollout implements the system in stages, allowing gradual adaptation by employees. In parallel adoption, the new ERP runs alongside existing systems to ensure safety if issues arise during implementation. Vanilla implementation uses default ERP configurations to minimize cost and time. Agile implementation emphasizes ongoing collaboration with stakeholders to ensure flexibility and adaptability throughout the ERP implementation process. Measure the success of your ERP implementation with these 5 key factors. Compare pre- and post-implementation cost savings in production, inventory and sales. Track efficiency improvements across departments like procurement, quality and customer support. Use data profiling and validation to assess data accuracy. Evaluate success by tracking user adoption rates. High return on investment indicates the effectiveness of ERP implementation. Implement Sage X3 ERP that transforms complex data into actionable insights, enhancing agility and efficiency in business management. Embrace Sage X3 to unify operations and drive growth with advanced, intuitive tools. Connect with us now.